So, or ating dough. Dito tayo gagawa ng dough. Now guys, kunin natin ang ating ibang ingredients. So, melted butter guys, this is around 50 grams. So, 50 grams ang ating melted butter. So, ilagay na natin ang ating 1 cup of milk sa butter. 1 egg. So, i-beat natin siya ng konti guys bago natin ilagay. Okay. So, ilagay natin ang ating 1 egg sa ating milk and butter. Ilagay na natin ang ating instant yeast. So, gagamit ako guys ng instant dried yeast. 1 tablespoon of instant yeast mixture, eggs, milk, and butter. So yun. Nalagay. Umpisahan na natin mag-mix. Mix natin guys, mix lang. Mix lang, mix lang. So, now guys, ihahanda na natin ang ating mga mussels. Ang ating flour, ang ating counter. Tapos, dito na natin simulan guys. Simulan ang ating mga mussels. Parang mga kamay. Naninigas yung mga kamay ko. Woo! So, tingnan yung mabuti guys kung paano ako magmasa ng aking bready. So, malapit na siyang mag-ano guys.
Parang mga kamay ko ay walang ka, ano guys, walang kailangan siyang, ano guys, kailangan ilamba-lamba. Hanggang makabuo tayo ng bowl. Form a bowl. Simple lang hard work lang talaga guys. Hard work lang talaga. Yung ito na siya guys. Matik na. Kailangan masos-masos lang. Fold and press, fold and press, fold and press. Parang walang, ang mga kamay ko guys. magbibigay akong kamot. Friend, bibigyan akong kamot. Ito guys, ilamba-lamba ko siya. Hindi na ako kagalit. Lapit na guys. Lapit na! Malapit na! Malapit na! Hindi ako galit guys. Nagmamasa lang ng bread.
So, ito na guys. Ito na. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga guys. Parang napian ko guys. So ito na. Form a ball. So ito na guys. I-form na natin ng ball. Mix na siya guys. Oh, ito na siya guys. One more time guys. One more time. Inat guys. Ito na siya. Heto na. Ito na ang ating ball. Ito na siya. Oh. So, lagyan natin siya ng oil guys para di siya mag-dry. So, i-cover natin siya guys ng cling wrap at takpan natin ng lagyan ng cling wrap at takpan natin ng tea towel at ilagay natin sa warm place guys. So, tingnan natin for 1 hour guys. Medyo mainit yung aking oven. Ilagay ko siya doon sa medyo mainit kasi it's winter here. So guys, na-divide natin guys ang ating dough. So, hindi ko na lang siya anyway guys. Yung sa akin lang is kainin namin ito. So, yun lang guys. So guys, this is now our cheese pandesal guys. So nilagyan natin siya ng breadcrumbs. I-rest natin siya guys for 30 minutes to 1 hour before natin ilagay sa ating mainit na oven guys. So, yun. At lulutuin natin guys hanggang mag golden brown. Okay? So, here we go. Guys, look at now our bread. That's our bread guys. Oh, they are compressed and look at that. So now guys, I cannot wait to put this guys on the oven. So it's almost, 5 minutes to go to make it 2 hours. So it's about time. So, okay. It's about time guys. So that's our bread. We will check at 20 minutes guys, okay? So guys, this is now our final product guys. Wow, look at that. Bread. Hindi yan pagod guys ha? Wow. So guys, this is our bread. Tingnan natin guys, super init guys. Tingnan natin guys ha. Wait. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and press all para update videos sa mga videos. This is Test Tasty channel guys. Once again, have a good time. Thank you and God bless. Bye! Look at the cheese, the mozzarella cheese. Wow! Oh, look at guys. Yum, yum, yum. Super moist and yummy cheese.